warrior. Be the warrior that you have inside of you. We were all born with a warrior mentality. We were all born fight or flight. We all have that ability built within our DNA, within ourselves. The thing is, a lot of us, through time, through our lives, we tend to let that warrior go to sleep. We tend to let the warrior in us just lay dormant. And if we don't need the warrior, it tends to not produce itself. So I'm going to ask you today to make a change in your life, to be the warrior that you are meant to be, the warrior that is inside of you, the warrior that stands up and says, I am the winner. I am successful in what I'm doing. I am that person. So stand up right now today and say, you know what? Life, you are mine to live. I am in control. You are mine. You are my ability. You are my success. You are my prosperity. You are everything I am supposed to be. So be that warrior. I want you to stand up today, or even if it's not now, even if this isn't morning for you, stand up in the morning, every morning, and look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am the warrior. I am the warrior that is successful. I will meet my battles head on. I will make the success I want to have in my life. I will go forward. I will battle everything that comes down my path. And it will. You will have your goals right there on your path, and you will be working and you will be succeeding. And all of a sudden something will jump in front of you and it will just all crash. That's inevitable. Don't take it personally. And don't go back to the past and say, well, this happened to me then and this happened to me then. And when you do that, you're taking yourself back to the past that was not the future. It wasn't the present. It has already happened. Learn from it, go on, but don't keep reliving it. So there's always obstacles that get in our path. There's always obstacles that come our way. There are always obstacles that are going to show up. It is a given, guys. It's life. So I know a lot of you out there, you've started your business, you're going. Maybe you're not in the right group. Maybe you don't have a supportive group around you. Maybe you joined an opportunity, but they're not giving you the keys and the tools that you need to be successful. You need to take a look at them and say to yourself, I am the warrior. What can I do, excuse me, in my warrior status to change what's not working? To make the changes that I need that are not working for me now. You live in the now. The only thing you can change is now. You cannot change the past. It's already happened. You cannot change the future because it hasn't happened yet. But right now, the steps you take and what you do now is building your life for your future. So keep that in mind as you're getting your warrior mentality, your warrior spirit. Men, women, children, boys, girls, it doesn't matter. We all have a warrior spirit within us. Because just because it didn't work for you before, just because, okay, let's break this down a second. I'm getting some comments over here on this other platform. I'm on 4 platforms right now, guys. So I'm going to answer as many questions here as I can. But here over here, I'm getting a question saying, well, I tried this before I started a business. It didn't work. I really want to work online. And let me see what else she's saying. And I failed. That's okay. We all have failures. Okay, we all fail from time to time. What do I call failures? Anyone out there who knows me and who works with me? Yes, exactly. Stepping stones. Steps to the next level. Steps to the next process. Steps to go forward. Exactly. Yes, I'm getting comments back over here. Yes, exactly. They are steps. They are steps for all of us who have these. We are warriors. Every single one of us are warriors. Especially if you're an entrepreneur, if you're working a business, if you created your home business, you got your office still ready, you're in there, you're working. I suggest you get a quiet place, where you're not going to be interrupted. You can have some privacy. Being in the middle of the family room is probably not the best suggestion for an office if you're working and doing videos and whatnot. But keep in mind, you're going to have things that don't work. You're going to have things that fall through. But when you have a support group around you, when you're in the right team of people, where you have support, where if something's not working, you can say, oh, I made this funnel, and what did I say? What did I do? What was my catchphrase? What was my hook? How did that not work? You can get feedback. That's where a lot of success comes from, is feedback from your peers, from your cohorts, from the top earners, from people in your group. You'll get more feedback on what you're doing. But just remember, there is no obstacle you cannot go through. And I mean go through, because if an obstacle comes your way and it's blocking you, if you go around it or if you go over it, you're not going to get the experience of going through it and making it disappear. Because once you take ownership of you and say, okay, this obstacle happened, I went through it. I boomed it. I blew it up to all the smithereens. It is gone. That obstacle will not bother me again, because when it shows up again, I already know how to take care of it. I already know how to do it, and it is gone. That is a learning curve right there, guys. When you learn to do that, to walk through the obstacles, not over them or around them, that's just ignoring the situation. That's just ignoring what's going on. But like I say, you are a warrior. You are the warrior within you, and you were born with the warrior mentality. You have the fight or flight. You know what you need to do. You will stand up and fight for your family. You will stand up and fight for your country. Now it's time for you to stand up and fight for what you want to do as you're creating your lifestyle, your business. What you're doing is you're creating a life for you, for your family, and for those you love. But it starts with you. You have to be able to take the lumps, take the downs that come along with the growth. There is growth in online marketing. There is growth in network marketing. There is growth in affiliate marketing. You can do all of these things, all of them. It just depends on what you choose to do. But again, there are obstacles that will come your way. There are obstacles that will grow, and they will jump in front of you, and they will get on your path. But it's your ability as a warrior to knock them out, take them away. They don't belong there. And there's no reason for any obstacle to get in the path of a warrior and stay there. No, that is not possible for you, because you are successful, you are prosperous, and you are smart. And you know to get yourself in a group of people where you're learning from them. You're learning the skills, you're learning the traits, and you're growing. When you have that mentality of, you know what, I am taking myself to that level, I am getting the help I need, I am surrounding myself with the right people, and I am growing myself. That is a warrior mentality. That is you being the warrior. And when you say, I am investing in myself, I am not letting anything get in the way, money comes frequently and easily to me, and I am growing. I am successful. And I am learning the tools that I need to be a better me tomorrow. What I learn today will benefit me later and today. So live in the now and use your warrior mentality. You've got this. You have got this in spades. You can do this. I know you can. All of you out there, and everybody over here is just blowing up the chat over here on this one. You guys are just rocking it like crazy. You're all successful. Use your warrior mentality, grunt, whatever it is you want to do, but use your mentality to grow, to prosper, and to be that person. To grow and to get the tools you need. If you don't have them yet, And I say yet, because there's tools available for you for marketing, attraction marketing, network marketing, you name it. I've got the tools here. It's up to you to ask for them. Get in here, join our group. Come into our group where we have top earners helping people every single day. I will see you on the inside, and take advantage of the free PDF I have for you up here. There's a free PDF with an offer to join. I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.